Oh, you guys are floating! Oh, Millie, what do you think? It's good to float. She's like, I'm not real sure what's going on, but...
Oh man, that sticker looks good.
Yeah, it came out great, right? Yeah, water. Yeah, that's where the boat's supposed to be.
Well, look at us, nailing the boat's location right where it belongs, floating on shimmering water. It's a picture-perfect day, and we're standing on unsteady ground, living life on the edge, just how we roll. So my sink is working, and my parents arrived yesterday, and we are gonna head south on St. Mary's River, and the engine's running. The dinghy is running, and I think we're ready to go. Leave this place. And off we went on our epic ICW adventure, trying to make it far enough south to angle our way to the Bahamas. With my parents in tow for a 2-week visit, we were all in the dark about whether they'd be joining us on the crossing or not. Talk about living in the moment, boat life at its finest. Weather forecasting is always the first thing we look up in the morning, every day. 7 different ones, but we still don't know when we'll be where most of the time. It's all about embracing the spontaneity, right? Anyway, we would decide on my parents' departure country later.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, horse.
When I talk about an epic adventure, it's not like the InterCoastal Waterway is our first choice. Usually, sailing offshore wins every time if we have wind, but with a brand new to us boat, fresh out of the yard after some major tweaks to the engine's cooling system, the ICW is like a trial run, testing everything from bow to stern.
Imagine a perfect day, absolutely flawless in every way. That's the day I'm having right now. I pinch my arm to believe. I wish I could stay right here and never leave. Wait up, sundown, wait a while. I don't want this day to end.
Plus, it's a bonus because my parents have never set foot in Florida, and the ICW is packed with quirky little towns and fantastic beach strolls right along the ditch. It's like combining boat testing with a family tour of Florida's hidden gems.
All this time, where have you been? I thought I had searched both without and within.
What happened to Piggy?
I was looking to get
bucket?
wet, standing in the rain. Then you offered your umbrella and everything changed. Wait up, sundown, wait a while. I don't want this day to end. Wait up, sundown, wait a while before you let the light descend. Wait up, sundown, wait a while. Please make this moment last. Wait up, sundown, wait a while. No reason to be fast.
What do you have? What is that? We got my parents here, and every morning we have coffee and chocolate. eyes doing? You focusing on what's important?
Yeah?
Yeah,
Fishing gear.
fishing gear only.
Go, 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 go!
Plan is to head to the Bahamas today, and we're gonna have to make a stop. We can't make it all the way to Hopetown, but we are very close to Fort Pierce, and we're gonna start moving a little later today and make it into the banks, the northern part of Bahamas. Yeah, we are about to start to get ready and get everything situated. Oh, and tucked away we have so many things, so I don't know how we're gonna do it.
Eat chocolate.
Eat chocolate? Yeah. Alright. First things first.
Not eat chocolate.
Did I not get a say in the placement? Ah! Kidding. Nothing beats flaunting the perks of boat life, from unexpected wildlife run-ins to the sheer simplicity of it all, not to mention those breathtaking sunrise and sunset spectacles every single day. And let's not overlook the vast expanse of the open ocean. It's a whole package of adventure, wonder, and pure joy. Something my parents were about to experience for the very first time.
All stream out of the southerly swell and riding this back down south.
We talked about maybe just going to
Take the snubber off.
talk
She's
to
right.
first
Forgot.
vendor.
How do I take the snubber off? I gotta come up, but I don't know how far to come up because I can't see it.
I'm right, she's wrong.
Take my side.
I'm just the first fender.
That's it. You're on that boat.
No responsibility
You're on that
whatsoever.
boat.
I take care of the kid.
Nobody can take care of her. She's on her own.
Oh, Grandpa.
Pull
can.
up.
Oh, wow. Come on.
Oh!
Go,
I'm a tourist.
Yeah.
Also here. Alright, so we got this anchor up.
Okay. Must be tough back here to pull it up.
Apple juice? Yeah, apple juice. We're gonna go out in the big water, see if we see dolphins.
I am a free man now.
So off we went, setting sail out of Fort Pierce Inlet on a quest for those legendary Bahama blue waters. The winds were a bit lighter than ideal, but having my mom aboard, that's practically a dream scenario. Little did we know, though, nature had some jaw-dropping surprises in store for us later on.
At this moment, no one can tell where we should go.
Cookie Monster? Whenever we gear up for an overnight passage, Cody always states, "We're waiting for the next full moon." And he's usually spot on. Besides the smoother weather, there's something so magical about those moonlit watches in the dead of night. The way the moonlight danced on the water is a sight that just has to be witnessed to be fully appreciated.
that we were meant for something more, something beautiful, something beautiful.
What? Oh my god. Let me see. Oh, the shark took it. Our first tuna. Har du spist en hai? En halv fisk? It's half a fish. And thus began our wild fishing escapade, straight out of both Cody's and my dad's wildest dreams. Great day for catching tuna. Fish are like being tossed out of the water. Look at that. Ser du fisken, Millie? See the fishies?
Yes. Oh, fishy.
Well, moment of truth. Something bit the teaser. We need him to hit the big one.
Fish on? Fish on.
Yeah, it's on. Oh! Hey, might be. No? Oh! Came off my stuff really.
That one dropped, but
The speed is good?
a little bit fast. Fish on.
Because they're hitting the teasers.
Oh yeah.
Well, it's not really going home.
Huh?
There you go. Like a fishing at a supermarket. Come on, get away. Don't get to the sharks. Oh, perfect size.
No, hold on.
Therese, turn around and go back through them again.
Oh boy.
Oh, Cody, watch it.
No.
It's gonna jump out the side.
Hey, Therese, just go back down.
It's time to tell me
What?
how can I
Talk about epic, that was pretty close, and after packing the freezer to the brim with delicious tuna, we had to conduct a taste test, as well as introduce Millie to her first ever sashimi snack experience.
something to put belief in? As soon as we saw the ocean, we knew what we had become, defying our
and moms.
That we were meant for something more, something beautiful, something beautiful. As soon as we saw the ocean, we knew what we had become.
You guys want to go and bike around Hopetown today?
Bike?
They want to go biking around Hopetown too.
We're good for them because I got work to do. Great.
Tell them why they can't go biking around Hopetown.
She's not down to bike.
Yeah, but you can't go biking.
I
We
stole
had
the bikes. I sold them.
I had 2 bikes.
I sold them.
That's what happened to my 2 bikes.
She
Okay.
sold them?
Behind my back.
No.
I was taking the dinghy
Someone
out,
gave you
riding
an
with
offer
Millie.
you couldn't refuse just because I posted a sales poster. It was up to you. I told you.
She wrote a
You
sales
sold
poster at the boatyard, 2 bikes for sale.
Last leg to Hopetown. After a successful 30 hours from
Into the wind.
Florida into the wind, with no wind, but a lot of fishing. And we caught all of the blackfin mahi, so, no, tuna, sorry. But yeah, we have a couple more hours to go.
Blackfin mahis. No more.
We're all a little sleep deprived.
We're just motoring everywhere.
Yeah, we're motorboat now. We did test the sails a few times, but we do have a lot more testing to do for sure. The wind completely died. We have Lake Atlantic going on the northern side of the Abaco, but we are headed in.
With your hand on your heart, please tell me which way to go. 'Cause I sure don't know. One piece in hand, it's a start, but it's a mighty puzzle to lay. No need to say, how will I cope? With your heart on your sleeve, it's a fine line between letting go and losing control. So I take my love and hide it away from those who steal till I find my way.
Arriving in Hopetown, our beloved spot that we've raved about endlessly, was an absolute delight. We were thrilled to introduce my parents to the stunning beach just across the island, the fantastic cruiser community we've become a part of, and the legendary bingo night at Jack's, where Dad won, by the way. It's safe to say it feels like home now.
I can't sleep, but I'm hardly awake. A limbo dance, such a fine romance. Bit by bit, I am slowly waking to see what's real, to finally.
If you've stuck around till the end, don't forget to hit that subscribe button in the corner, and if you're new here, check out our Patreon as well. The bigger our community gets, the more tales from our life on the water we can share. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next episode of our adventures.